Fanboy20 again, and here's just a quick little video of the ceiling fans in my grandparents' house. So here is a 52-inch unknown ceiling fan. It might be 54, but we're not sure. And here we got a Hampton Bay Littleton. And here we got a Hampton Bay San Marino. I'm gonna make videos of all of them, except for this one, because this one is broken, because you see there's a pull chain and it accidentally got pulled out. So that's what broke it. And here we got another unknown ceiling fan, and it's the second remote fan in the house. And lastly, the newest one, we got a Harbor Breeze Centerville. And the pull chains, they show like I got Harbor Breeze pull chains. Here's it without the light. And then we like to keep the light on. So that's it. That's all the ceiling fans in my grandparents' house. Okay, bye.